What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're gonna start working on this 2017 Kawasaki zx10r. So a little bit story about this bike. Bought it from auction, IA, like I always do. It was a theft recovery, so it looks pretty messy. So I'll take you guys around. Mostly what they did, they try to hotwire it. They completely suck at it. Let me tell you that. They completely destroy every single cable I could possibly imagine. Trying to start this bike, but it's fine. It's in my hands now. So first thing we're gonna try to do, we're gonna be walking around, removing some panels, seeing what's messed up with the bike, and yeah, then we can take it closer. So getting close to the zx10r, you guys can see they spliced this out right here. What I believe is that they cut off the ignition cylinder. They cut it off. They grinded this off. I believe this is a cable. I believe this is the cable that goes to it. They messed it up completely. They ran a couple of wires down through here all the way back to the battery terminal. They had a kill switch. I tried starting the bike like that, but don't know how it goes, so I'm just gonna leave that alone. Also this, they messed that up. What else? This, haven't gotten deep into it, so I don't know exactly what does what. So first of all, I think I'm gonna clean this bike real quick. Oh, and also it came with this, what I believe it's a trickle charger. So if it still works, it's gonna help out. But besides that, what else? Where are you? I don't see anything else missing. Hopefully nothing else is missing. I don't see. Oh yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I mean, I think everything looks fine right now. But let me start by removing the fairings and everything. Try to diagnose the bike completely. They spray paint everything, so it looks like shit. But besides that, the tank is in good condition. They spray painted it, so I'm gonna see if I can use some acetone to remove that. Comes with a pipe. I don't know if it's, I gotta check what pipe is it. Hopefully it's not an eVay pipe. And here you go, you can see more of this. Yeah, they completely destroyed this bike, but good things in my hands. I will go ahead restore it back to perfection. So let's get started. This is the ignition switch. There's usually a connector like right about here, and then this cable runs all the way back somewhere, not sure exactly where. But what they did, they cut this off, they spliced it, and they ran a red wire all the way back to the positive lead on the battery, and that's it. They literally did all that, and they put a kill switch. I don't know exactly where the kill switch goes. I'm gonna keep taking some panels off to see where that thing goes. But besides that, they probably didn't think about it. They didn't think about how to hotwire a bike. They're probably amateurs. Alright guys, so I finally got the bike hotwired. It was a pretty simple task. I'm not gonna show you guys how to do that, just in case. I don't want to be the cause or the responsibility of somebody getting their bike stolen. But let's get to it. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the gas tank. I tried to start the bike, but I think it has no gas. Well, the new bikes, well, the 1000cc bikes usually don't have a fuel gauge. They usually give you a light to see if it's almost empty. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just remove the gas tank, make sure you clean it out. It says whoever destroyed it, destroyed the locking mechanism of the gas cap, so the gas tank is always open. And there's some bolts that are missing in here. I'll show you guys. So the holes will expose the tank to the elements of the earth. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tank, clean it up, make sure it's clean inside, and maybe put some fuel to see if the bike will start. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're here. We just removed the gas tank. As you guys can see, it's down here. This is what I was talking to you guys about. They messed up the hole in the gas tank. There is some gas in there, but I don't know how long that has been sitting in there. I mean, it looks clean, but don't know if it has dirt in there. As you guys can see, they removed some bolts here and there, so anything can go in the gas. Now that said, we're gonna go ahead and remove the air filter and just trying to make sure that there's no dirt or anything. If it's too dirty, maybe that's causing the bike not to start. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we finally got the airbox removed. Okay, we'll make sure everything's good in here. Let's see. A little dirty. I'm going to clean everything up. That's the throttle body. Everything looks clean. I'm gonna go ahead and just cover this up. Just make sure nothing falls in there. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the airbox and try to clean the filter. Alright guys, so this is the bike right after I removed the airbox and the tank. Literally all it was to put it back together, just follow the steps backwards as you guys saw in the video. Now something I didn't record was me removing the paint out of the frame and mostly out of the whole bike. There's literally almost no paint left. There's still some spots that still need to go back and retouch, try to remove it, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna start by putting on the bearings. That's the last thing to do. I already got the ignition switch from a company. I forgot which company it was, but look at the ignition switch with 2 keys. So the bike already starts. I already ran it. Now the last thing to do is to put the bearings on, get the bike started. So let's get to it.